Hello everyone, welcome back. Now let's talk about order by, and here I'm going to write select all from students, and I'm going to say here order by, let's say student name, semicolon, execute it. And now you can see I can fetch all the data using student name. Okay, and here you can see that if I say here descending, if I execute it, now you can see Yamin is at the top. Let's say something will be start from 1 to 10. Okay, so when I say descending, it will actually show 10 to 1. Okay, when I say ascending, okay, it will show me 1 to 10. I have added one more value here. You can see Ahmed. Okay, ahmed@gmail.com, and here you can see I have ordered by descending order. Now let's say I want to show as ascending order, so I will say ASC, I mean ascending order. If I click here, you can see now Ahmed is at the top, right? Because the character is start with A, then it will show B, C, D, E, F, G, S like this. Okay, I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.